Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. Notice on this particular boat, it is powered with the naturally aspirated 300 Verados in white. This particular boat we ordered in the light blue color. Notice the hardtop is the same color underneath as well. Step aboard and I'll show you some of the features. As you walk through the transom door, first thing you notice is the nice dive door. Very unique option on the 32 Vantage. So you can lay out this boat several different ways. We ordered it with the flip-flop seats, standard bench seat here that folds away. You got your nice bait prep station here with a live well. As you come forward, your helm seats do go up and down. On the port side, you just have a lounge area down below. And on the starboard side, you do have your head with a sink. Keep in mind, the 32 Vantage does have an option for a generator. This particular boat does not. As you come forward, large bow seating with flip-down armrest. Just a great day boat, good all-around boat. So we look forward to seeing you at MarineMax Pensacola. We're always open online.